My name is Erland Odd. I'm the CEO of Grand Welcome.
My name is Michelle Marquis. I am a brand ambassador for Guesty.
When we saw the opportunity of becoming a franchisor, the current vendor that we used at that point in time did not have the structure and the systems actually in place to build that fully out. We started with a vetting process and decided we need to actually look for a different solution, and Guesty was at the forefront from day one. Guesty's approach was very different from everyone else, genuinely interested in problem solve of the issue that we had, which was really the structure and framework as a franchisor. They did add all the resources we needed to do it, anything from engineering, product, C-level, to have discussions how we can actually partner up to grow the next 10, 15 years. They did not overpromise, but they over-delivered. So they provided more, which is key.
You know, what else I would say is they said they would deliver and that they did. The headquarters solution is about having different levels of permissions and reporting and data. Guesty has done that hands down, and it has allowed companies like Grand Welcome scale their businesses.
Headquarters was something we designed with Guesty because that solved our problem from a franchisor standpoint, right? We wanted every franchisee to actually be run on its own separate instance and then still be rolled up so we have visibility and aggregate reporting and such on the higher level. But it also allows a franchisee that might have multiple locations to also get aggregate review.
Without HQ, I think the industry would have a real challenge in scaling to grow. I think it'd be next to impossible, really. Really has been a game changer and something that Guesty has done really well.
I'm still stoked to be a partner with Guesty, and that's really the mentality of partnership when it comes to Guesty is just mind-boggling. The support staff, engineers, C-levels on a weekly basis is a partner, it's not a vendor.